Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some project shares for you today. The first one is, this is for a design team for Anna, my Crafting World Designs. And the first one I want to share with you is her relaunched small flowers. And if you missed Anna's video, I'll leave Anna's links down below in the description box. But she said she already released this. This is her second time to restock the small flowers. And this set used to come with a flourish, but she had it changed. She asked Nicole if she could add some leaves in there. And so that is the change to this die set. Now you get 6 of the large flower size. So here you have the 6, and then you have 3 of the small flower size. And then you get 6 of the green leaves, or not green leaves, but the leaves for this die set. Now I'll show you what the leaves look like. They're very pretty. They do have some detail on there. Maybe I could show you a yellow one. It's a very pretty leaf. I do love this leaf design. It's very useful also. It's great for flowers. So those are the leaves that you get. And then this is the flower. This is what it looks like as you die cut it, and with the flower, the leaf attached. So this is the flower that I created with the little gold centers. I got that from my friend Eve Ara 101. She has a shop on Instagram. I don't know if these are available anymore, but these are really super tiny. They're perfect for these flowers. Excuse me. So I cut one set out of the yellow cardstock and one out of the purple cardstock. And then I just alternated the color of the leaves. I also cut out some glitter cardstock for my leaves here. So you have some green. I thought that was very pretty. I love it. It looks so cute together. And you can put the leaves any way you want. That's the way I put mine, all different ways. Okay, so that is the first flower set. The second one, it's not a flower set, but this is the add-on for the spool. It's just to make your spool taller. And for this release, she included some flower plates. Okay, I did not get to put these together yet. But this is the plate that you get, the 2 plates that you get. Very tiny flowers. And I have the samples here. Let me put this in so that I don't get lost with the flower plates. So let me show you several flowers here. I cut them both out of yellow and purple. You get different sizes. And you get a solid one. Oops. And then you get a really teeny tiny one there. So very pretty. These flowers, once I get them put together, I could show you what they will turn out looking like. And sorry, I'm picking up some sequins that fell out of my cup. So there is that. I punched out a whole bunch of flowers, and I just used some scraps that I have here. I'm trying to use up my paper stash. And these are great also for the bigger flower set, flowers that you get, and you could use them as centers. I think these are going to be so cute. I'm going to put them on the next project that I'm going to share with you. So the next one I have, it's a stamp and die. It's a Motel Key Ring shaker and stamp set. Let me show you. So it looks like this. you get these stamps. I think I showed this already in my unboxing. I did not get to play with the stamps just yet because I was trying to assemble our hotel key fob. Okay. This is your small key ring shaker set. Let me get them all situated. It's a 3-piece, so you get the backing. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this is the backing, your base. This is your the one you would cut your foam out of for your depth for your key fob, and then this is the background for your keychain. Okay, so you get those 3 pieces. This will go on top. And what I did for the acetate, I just took the layering piece, this one right here, and I glued it onto the acetate, and then I just fussy cut around it. And then you also have to remember to punch your hole so that your acetate has a hole there, okay? Because these 3 pieces, without it, you won't be able to put an acetate on there. So, I mean, put your key ring through the hole. So this is what it would look like layered up like that. I did not make the little one. I used the larger keychain key. Oh my God, I can't speak. Motel Key Ring. I used the larger set. So that's all together. They come all together. And this is the first one I put together. And you can see the foam likes to like expand. So my best advice, I used to use the Dollar Tree poster board, the foam boards. It's $1.25. I suggest you go grab some because that one will not expand or stretch out of shape, where this crafty foam, it likes to stretch after you pull the pieces out. But I kind of had to press them in and hold it there until it dried. You know, just got to take your time with it. And I just used this shaker mix that I already had on my desk here. I made this on a previous live. I think it was Sunday, 2 Sundays back on Ebony's channel. I made that shaker mix right there. Okay. So here you go. This is the hotel key ring. I made 2. As you can see, this one I don't want to shake it too much because I literally just finished putting it together. So now I want to put some of these flowers together with you while these dry. And I want to put them together so I can put them on my key ring. Okay, so if you don't mind, I guess I can put you on time lapse and you could just watch me assemble the flowers. It's super easy, guys. I have this tool right here I got from Wandy when we were learning how to make poinsettias. She shared this tool with me. So I just take the ball, whichever side, it doesn't even matter, and press in the middle. Oh, this one's got 2 layers. I cut 2 cardstocks at one time. And just press it in the middle and it gives it a little bit of dimension. Okay? So you can see it already, it's curled up a little. And you can use whichever size. I like using the smaller size for these teeny tiny flowers. I did try using the one from Dollar Tree, but this is way too small and it will easily tear my paper. So I didn't want to use that. I used it for a little bit, but then I went back to this bigger one. Oh, this one's a double layer. There you go. So, and you guys already know how to layer flowers, don't you? Super easy. I like using the hot glue gun for my flowers. It gives that paper cardstock, because once you break the fiber down like this to get the paper to curl, the paper cardstock becomes flimsy, and if you use the hot glue, it kind of makes it sturdier than it used to be. So, and I like this one. So I'm just making sure the flower's facing upward. You could do it the other way also, but I like it facing up. And this is super, super tiny. See those little tiny, tiny flowers. All right. I think we have enough to play with. I don't know, maybe not. I'll just keep cupping it. And like I said, you could use these as larger flower centers. If you die cut this out of gold or foil cardstock or whatever, you know, it's up to you, because the flowers are going to look pretty either way. Solid cardstock or designer paper, it doesn't matter. But I use this because it's my scraps. It's sitting here on my table, and also I could use it on the projects that I was just working on earlier. So, oh my gosh, they're stuck together. There we go. I think this is enough. Now you can layer them, or you could just, you know, take some, what's it called? Take some Nouveau drops and just add some Nouveau drops to the center. Oh my gosh. This is the only problem with it being so tiny, is it is so tiny. It's hard to maneuver. Now you don't have to layer these up, like I said before. You could do whatever you want with them. You can just use them as a single layering piece. But look at how sweet that little tiny flower is. And it'll take up some dimension on your papers. So I'm going to add some, and you could still take some Nouveau drops and do what you need to. Do whatever you want. There's no right or wrong way to use these flowers. In my eyes. In my eyes, there's no right or wrong way. I'm gonna put a little sequin in there. Little, that's gigantic. Gigantic. Can put another one in here. The only struggle I'm going to be having is glue strings everywhere. Okay. It's not even perfect, and that's okay with me. It's okay. Don't dwell on it too hard. Just do one and keep on going. Do one and keep on going. See that? Isn't that cute? Just have the glue strings everywhere. Oops. There you go. Tiny and cute. Cute. Ah. All right, so we have those few little flowers. I will do more off camera. I didn't even put you on time lapse, but that's okay. It's okay. And just imagine if you use different pattern paper, designer paper, whatever, you know, it's up to you, your imagination. So, okay, I'm going to stop because I'm going to keep on babbling. But that is it for my project share for today. I'm just going to make a few more flowers off camera and add them to my little key fob, keychain, key ring, has all the names. I'll probably also get to stamping out some of these words that come with it and put it over the top, use it with the flowers. It'll be so super cute. But yes, if you guys are new here, welcome. Please think of subscribing to my channel. It's free. Subscribe. You get to while you subscribe, hit that notification bell. It'll let you know when I load new videos just like this, or go live with some of my crafty friends. And also, I do want to share a discount code with you. If you go to My Crafting World Designs, type in Eileen10 at checkout, and you will get 10% off of your full purchase. And also you could contact Anna, who's mycraftingworlddesigns.com. You can contact her via email if you wish, or you could check her out on her social media. Her email is mcwdesigns@email.com. She's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And if you use the hashtag mycraftingworlddesigns, you could get chosen to become a guest designer, guys, for her shop. So don't forget, if you get some of her dies, use my discount code Eileen10, and also use that hashtag mycraftingworlddesigns.com or mycraftingworlddesigns, and you might win a chance to be a guest designer. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.